everyone. In this video we will see how to design a simply supported beam subjected to a UDL over the entire span. So in previous video we have solved this problem, that is simply supported beam carrying 20 kN per meter over 5 meter span. Now in this video we will design this beam using STAAD PRO. So here first in analytical part we have modeled this beam, we have assigned the properties, we have assigned the supports, we have assigned the loading, and then we have done its analysis, seeing its results in post processing, that is displacement, reaction, beam results. Now further we will design this beam. So for design, here in analytical modeling you have last option called design. So select the design. Now in this design first you need to select the material. So as you can see, by default in this video it is a steel design. So as our beam it is RCC beam, so we will select the material concrete. As you can see the current code it is IS 456. If it is not there, from this drop down list you can search and select this IS 456. Now after this we have three parameters in the design process, that is to select the parameters, after that define the parameters, and third step it is commands. So first we will select the parameters. So for selecting the parameters, as you can see by default all parameters are in the selected window. So you can just click on this arrow, backward arrow. So all these selected parameters it will be there in available window. So now from this available window we have to go with the three parameters as we have clearly defined in problem statement that our material grades are M30, Fe415 and 250. So here first we will select the compressive strength of concrete, then this yield strength of main reinforcement and yield strength of shear reinforcement. Select all these three parameters and using this symbol, that is this forward arrow, we will transfer these parameters into selected parameters bucket. Click on OK. Now after selecting the parameters, now define their values. So click on define parameters. One by one we have to define the values of these 3 points. First FC, compressive strength of concrete. So grade of concrete it is M30. So 30 it is in Newton per mm square, value MPa. Here we have to write that value in kilonewton per meter square. So M30 in kilonewton per meter square it will be 30,000. Let us say add. So as you can see, once add button it is clicked, here you can see that property it is added. Second property Fy main, that is yield strength for main reinforcement steel. So here we will have that value Fe415. 415 it is in Newton per mm square, in kilonewton per meter square it will be 415000. Just click on add, that value it is added here, Fy main of Fe415 grade, and last Fy sec, that is for shear reinforcement, that is distribution reinforcement, we have selected 250 grade concrete. In kilonewton per meter square it will be 250000 kilonewton per meter square. Let us say add and close. Now after defining these three properties, as you can see the question mark, it means the properties are not yet assigned. So first we will select the property one by one and we'll use the method assign to view. So select the property, use assign to view method, click on assign. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Next property, use assign to view, assign it, yes. And last property, that is this Fy sec, use assign to view, assign. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Okay, so all properties are assigned. Now after assigning the property, go to commands and give the command as design beam. If you are having the column, if you are having the slab, in that case you can give these two commands as well. So here we will first go with the design beam, click on add and close. Now assign this, assign to view, assign and assign. Okay, so all things are done. Now again run the analysis. Do you want to save? First save the project, and here you will get your design part. So here you can see the output file. So in output file you can see the reinforcement for the beam number, one more property if you want you can have, that is takeoff. So it will give you the takeoff quantity. So here it will show you the concrete design part. So as we have only one beam, so beam number it is showing, and the summary of reinforcement area and the provided reinforcement area. So for that particular beam number, the properties are shown here of grade FE415, FE415. Then size it is showing, the length it is showing, cover by default it has taken 30 mm. If you want you can define that parameter from define parameter and select parameter. So in summary it has shown the section wise properties, the top reinforcement, bottom reinforcement along with shear reinforcement. So all these things you can see. Also along with this you can see the reinforcement details. So for that you can just go with the double clicking the beam, the member, and go to this concrete design. So here you can see the reinforcement diagram in longitudinal direction as well as cross section at both ends, at support and at the center, along with design load and design parameters. So this way you can analyze and design any member using STAAD Pro. Thank you.